Hello, it's me Trish. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to use SOLIDWORKS and how to draw this spoon figure in SOLIDWORKS 2021. So to start, go to plain white, then SOLIDWORKS add-ins, PhotoView 360, SOLIDWORKS simulation. Then click OK. And after that, change it to MMGS and then click the settings. After clicking the settings, choose document properties, image quality, keep it higher. Then select plane, top plane, sketch, then center line. Then make a line at the center and make sure it passes through the origin. Then center line again, put line here up to here. Then line, make three lines above the first line that we did. Then after that, select these two lines, then construction geometry. After that, smart dimension, this should be 22.50. Then this one should be 105. Then we have to expand this line. After that, after expanding the line, we have to select the 3-point arc, then make an arc here, then stretch, then click OK. Then this point and this point should be merge, then click OK, and then it should be horizontal. And smart dimension, the radius of this arc should be 10, then click OK. Then select center arc and make an arc here. After making an arc, select the 3-point arc again and connect this arc to this line. Then after doing that, should be tangent. The point should be tangent, and then smart dimension should be 40 radius. Then this side 16.50. Then after making that, we have to command 3-point arc again, then make an arc here. The point of the line should be tangent. Then smart dimension, it should be 9. Then this one, the radius should be 6. Then put dimension on this arc should be 40 radius. Then select center arc, make a half circle, then the radius of this should be 6. After putting the radius of this half circle, the next thing that we'll be doing is that command 3-point arc, then the point of the line should be tangent. Then okay, then the dimension of this should be 600. Then select mirror entities, then select the arc that you want to be mirrored. Then that's it. Then the next thing is that you have to click the front plane and then sketch, then command 3-point arc, then arc should be upward direction, then 3-point arc again, but this time on a downward direction. Then sketch this line, and after making that, the points should be tangent. Then smart dimension, it should be 84. Then this one should be 12 millimeter. And then the last one should be 54. Then after doing that, I will put the radius of this 500. And then this one 20. The last one is 40. Then select the center line and draw a vertical line here. Then select relation, make it vertical. Then we have to connect this point, so we have to tilt, and after that select the relation, make it pierce. Then smart dimension, it should be 10. Then it should be 143.50 mm. Then the first plane is the right plane, and then click, then show, then reference geometry should be, the distance should be 31.42, then click the point, then okay. After that we have to tilt, then select this point, then plane, then click this point. Then after doing that, the next thing is that we have to sketch. First is the right plane, then select 3-point arc, then make an arc here. Then the point of this arc should be horizontal, the relation should be horizontal. Then click point, then select the middle, and then after that tilt, and then after tilting the drawing, the next thing that we will be doing is that we have to select this arc, hold shift key, then make it pierce, then click OK. Then we have to hide the right plane first. Then after that, sketch the plane 6, and then 3-point arc, the same as what we did earlier. Point should be horizontal in relation, and then make a point at the middle. Then the radius of this should be 10. Select this point, hold shift key this point, and then we have to coincide. Then the last is we have to hide the plane first, and then we'll work on the plane number 6. And the same as what we did earlier, make a 3-point arc, then horizontal in relation, then put a point at the middle, and then we will make that arc pierce to the line. Then after making the boundary surface and the lofted surface, the next thing is that we have to, after doing that, we will click the front plane, then sketch, and then surface, click the surface, then click this sketch 5, and then convert entities, this point and this line should be coincident, then click OK. Then after that, we have to trim the surface. First, click the trim surface, and then click this figure and then remove this one. Then click OK. Then now, we have the spoon figure. After that, we have to change the thickness of this to 1 millimeter. Then click OK. And then that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!